For the two-sample t-test, we typically have two sets of data that aren't related in any way. So one group of people would have been given the placebo, another group of people would have been given the drug, and the data will look like this. So we're Tools, Data Analysis, and the first thing that we need to do is do an F-test, two-sample for variances. There are two different ways of carrying out the two-sample t-test based on whether we can assume that the variability is the same for the drug and the placebo, or the control. So we'll put the range of cells that contains the data into our spreadsheet. We have labels in the first row, and we're going to put this into a new worksheet ply. Once it will tell us, this F-test two-sample for variances, it will tell us whether we can assume that the variability of the two sets of data is the same. So there are the averages, and here is our probability. This is bigger than 0.05, therefore there is no evidence that the variability of the drug is any different from that of the placebo. Therefore we can assume equal variances. So we go back to our data, and we then carry out a t-test t-test two-sample assuming equal variances, and you will get slightly different levels of significance based on which of these you actually use. So there is our data, there is the placebo, we have labels in the first row, and we're going to put it into an output file. And there we are. And there is our probability for a one-tailed test and probability for a two-tailed test.